Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this animated pie chart in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Before we begin, we need a Fusion composition. Now go to Fusion page. Here press Shift plus space on your keyboard. This will bring you your Select Tool menu. From here search for S-ellipse, and then S-render, and then connect it to the Media Out, like this. Now select the S-ellipse node, then go to Inspector tab. Here right click on the width parameter, then select expression, and now select this plus icon, and then click drag this into height parameter. In this way the width parameter equals to the height parameter. Now when we change the height parameter, it also changes the width parameter at the same time. Now the next step is to uncheck solid, and then bring up the border width slightly. To animate this pie chart, we will use this length parameter. One thing you'll notice is that the starting position of this animation is not at the top, so to change this position, go to Position Parameter, and now change it to 0.25. Now the animation will start at the top of the pie chart. And now change the cap style from rounded to square. Now put a keyframe on the length parameter on the very first frame of the animation, and now move forward a few frames in time, and then bring up the length parameter to 1. And now go to the Spline tab, and now we're going to select the length, and now click on the Zoom to Fit icon. Now select all the keyframes, and then press F on your keyboard to flatten out the keyframes, and then press T on your keyboard to bring the ease in and out parameter, and now adjust the ease in and out keyframes, and now we have this smooth animation. Now move on to the Style tab. From here, we can change the color of our pie chart. And now just copy and paste this S-ellipse node, and now come to this new S-ellipse node, and now again go to the Style tab. From here we can change the color of our pie chart to something else. And then let's position our playhead over the last keyframe there, and then go to the Controls tab, and now bring down the length parameter, like this. And now again copy and paste this S-ellipse node. We are going to do the same thing. Again go to the Style tab. From here we can change the color of our pie chart to something else. And then let's position our playhead over the last keyframe there, and then go to the Controls tab, and now bring down the length parameter, like this. And now if we play this animation, we'll get this fully animated pie chart. At last, if want to change the direction of the pie chart animation, to do this click on the first S-render node, and then press Shift plus space on your keyboard. This will bring your Select Tool menu. From here search for Transform, and now click on Add button. In this way our Transform node is get connected between the first S-render node and the Media Out node. Now select the Transform node, and go to the Inspector tab. From here under the Flip parameter select the horizontal flip. In this way, we'll be able to flip the animation. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!